The moment of impact. At exactly 23:14 UTC on September 26, 2022, DART slammed into Dimorphos at a closing speed of 6.14 kilometers per second, releasing kinetic energy equivalent to approximately 2.5 tons of TNT. The collision occurred with pinpoint accuracy, striking the asteroid's surface and instantly vaporizing the 610-kilogram spacecraft along with a portion of the asteroid's rocky material. Ground-based telescopes around the world captured the dramatic moment as a brilliant flash of light erupted from the impact site, followed by an expanding cloud of debris that grew brighter over several hours. The Hubble Space Telescope and James Webb Space Telescope immediately began observing the aftermath, documenting the evolution of the ejecta plume as it stretched across thousands of kilometers of space. Within minutes of impact, the debris cloud had expanded beyond Dimorphos itself, creating a spectacular tail of material that resembled a comet's tail stretching behind the asteroid. Amateur astronomers joined professional observatories in tracking the collision's effects, witnessing history as humanity demonstrated its ability to alter the path of a celestial object. The impact created seismic waves that rippled across Dimorphos' surface, potentially reshaping the asteroid's internal structure in ways that scientists are still working to understand.